Namaste dosto! Welcome to our journey into the world of cryptocurrency. Today we're diving into something truly revolutionary. Today we're talking about PiNetwork, a new kind of cryptocurrency that's designed to be accessible to everyone. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies, PiNetwork doesn't require expensive hardware or advanced technical knowledge. PiNetwork wants everyone to have cryptocurrency. It's easy to use and designed for everyday people. All you need to do is download the app and start mining. It's that simple. No need for expensive equipment or high electricity bills. Cryptocurrency can be confusing, but PiNetwork makes it simple and user-friendly. The app guides you through every step. You don't need to be a tech expert. Your phone is enough to start mining and earning Pi coins. PiNetwork is about the future. It's about creating a digital economy that includes everyone, regardless of their background or technical skills. Imagine a future where everyone can be part of the digital economy, where financial inclusion is a reality for all. That's the vision of PiNetwork. Join us and be part of this exciting journey. Hold on tight, we're about to dive into the exciting world of server migration. PiNetwork just had a big change. They moved their servers. This is a significant step for any tech company, as it involves transferring all the data and operations from one server to another. This happened on January 11th. Mark that date because it signifies a new era for PiNetwork. It was a planned move. Months of preparation went into ensuring everything would go smoothly. The team meticulously planned every detail to minimize downtime and ensure a seamless transition. The goal? To make PiNetwork even better. With upgraded servers, the network can handle more users, provide faster transactions, and offer a more secure environment. You might have seen some changes in the app. These changes are part of the improvements that come with the new servers. Maybe things were a bit slow. Some users experienced delays and slower load times during the migration process. That's normal during a server migration. The IT team worked around the clock to ensure everything was up and running as quickly as possible. Everything is back to normal now. The app is running smoothly, and users can enjoy a better experience. And PiNetwork is stronger than ever. With this upgrade, the network is more robust, secure, and ready to take on the future. Thanks for sticking with us through this exciting journey. Worried about your phone battery? Don't be. With PiNetwork, you can mine cryptocurrency without the fear of draining your phone's battery. PiNetwork is designed to be kind to your phone. The app is optimized to ensure that it uses minimal resources, allowing you to continue using your phone for other tasks without any noticeable impact on performance. It doesn't use much battery power at all. In fact, the app is so efficient that you might not even notice a difference in your battery life. You can mine Pi all day long. Whether you're at work, at home, or on the go, the PiNetwork app runs seamlessly in the background, ensuring that your phone's battery remains healthy and robust. And your phone won't die. How does it work? The secret lies in the advanced technology that powers the PiNetwork. PiNetwork uses a new technology. This technology is specifically designed to be energy efficient, ensuring that your phone's battery is conserved while you mine. It's called the Stellar Consensus Protocol. This protocol is not only secure but also incredibly efficient, making it perfect for mobile mining. This technology is very efficient. It allows the PiNetwork app to run smoothly without putting a strain on your phone's battery. So, you can mine Pi without draining your battery. Enjoy the benefits of cryptocurrency mining without the usual drawbacks. With PiNetwork, your phone stays charged and you stay connected. Section 4. Open Network Revolution. Pi connects the world. Big news, everyone. PiNetwork is now an open network. This is huge. It means Pi can connect with the rest of the world. What does this mean for you? You can now use Pi outside the PiNetwork. You can trade it. You can spend it. The possibilities are endless. Section 5. Join the Pi revolution. PiNetwork is changing the world. It's making cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. It's easy to use. It's battery friendly. And now it's connected to the world. What are you waiting for? Join the Pi revolution today. Download the app. Use my invitation code. Your PiNetwork invitation code. Together, let's build a better financial future for everyone.